Hey guys, it's Matt here from Aus Agro. We're down here in Bracknell, Tasmania, and today I'm going to be taking you through our brand new rotary hay rake. Alright, when you're setting up one of the rotary hay rakes, it's important to have some safety equipment. So we recommend a pair of gloves, a pair of safety goggles, and to get it out of the steel frame, you'll want to have an angle grinder. Alright, now we've got the frame off, we're just going to lay out all the parts and just see what we're dealing with. So with everything laid out now, we've got a clear picture of what goes where. And the next step is to locate where the nuts and bolts are. If you haven't done that already, they're going to be just on top here near the PTO. So you can fish that out and we're good to go. So to make our lives a bit easier, we've brought the tractor over and we're going to hook up our rotary hay rake to the back of the tractor. Now we recommend bringing a few mates along, so probably 3 people good for this part. So now we've got the rake hooked up to the 3-point linkage, we're going to attach the tyres. So the tyres go underneath and you want to get in there. It probably would help again if you had someone else to give you a hand. So take the pin out and we're going to drop out one of these, keeping that up there, at an angle. There we go. So I've just clipped that on there, and with the pin, find the pinhole. Where are we? There we go. Bang. And the last little bit can be tricky, just hooking on the spring. Whoop. Got that. Use a pair of pliers for that. There we go. Nice. Right, the next part of the assembly, we're going to be attaching all of the tines. So it's a good idea to make sure that the wheels are on first, like we've just done. All right, so for this part, for each tine, you're going to need at least 4 bolts, 4 nuts and bolts, a spanner and a shifter. So we're just lining up the holes here with the nuts, with the tines and the disc, and we're just going to slip through the 4 bolts. Got one in, making sure that we've got spacer. Here we go. 2, 3. Awesome work, Jeff. Doing a great job, mate. Superstar. So I've done those 4 finger tight, and we're going to run through and do the rest now. So thanks to the help of the team here, we've gone ahead and finished attaching all the tines, and we're up to the last step, which is just putting on this bar here and the flap to help with the tedding. So grab this bar and just feed it through. So you can kind of just put it up to that first thing, and once you've found the hole, just pop the pin through. There we go. All right, so we've got the bar in now. We're just going to attach the flap, which is going to help with the tedding. And when you pick this up, you'll notice the bolts are already included. So we're going to remove these first. And then once we've done that, we can come around the back and we'll be attaching it here, like so. So as you can see here, guys, we've got a perfect compact little hay rake tedder for hobby farmers, ready to go, and we know you're going to love this product. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. If you'd like to learn more about our machinery, you can head to www.ausagro.com.au.